What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw faces in different angles. Amateur like me can draw. Before you start the video, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, share and comment down below if you have any questions. So first we are going to need a sharpened pencil like this. First we are going to draw 4 lines equally separated like this. This will be our hairline. This will be our eyebrow line. And the nose line. Now we are going to divide in two parts. So now we are going to need a center line for eye. So this is 1/4 of the middle part. This is going to be our eye line. Now this is 1/2 line. This is going to be our bottom lip line. Easy peasy. Now we need a 3 separated part to get eye and nose proportion right. Like I am going to do this. Remember to extend this line to the end because this is going to help us to draw nose and lips, because this is a fully proportioned method. Now we are going to draw a circle to get our ears and the bottom chin line perfectly proportional. The chin line. And next is eyes. Let's draw eyes now. First eyebrows, and then we are going to draw eyes to the center line. Don't forget to subscribe my channel guys. Please hit the subscribe button down below. eyebrow line and the nose line, hold the proportion of ears in a front face. So go with the proportion and you will perfectly do it. So guys, this is the complete proportion of front face. Hope you guys understood well this tutorial. And the next I am going to show you how to do it in every angle, in every perspective. It's easy. To draw a face in every angle, you will be going to need a box. So this is the template how to make a box with a paper. So as you can see, there is a box I have prepared for it earlier. So let's get started with the video. I have already drawn the basic proportion of the face on this box. So go with the perspective. Let's start. This is a simple basic sketch of a box. So we can apply the basic proportion like we can see it on a box. Divide the middle in two. Now the three divisions for the nose and eyebrow line. By the basic sketch we can see on the box. By this way you can do it in a perspective vision of what you can see. This is the nose, lips, so that was a little bit a small scale sketch. We're going to a little bit larger this time to copy the fundamental of the face proportion. And guys, proportion must get right like a box. The eye line, bottom lip line. So the basic sketch is complete. Now I am going to draw a circle to get a perfect proportion of face and ears. And for the now ears, little circle here, and this line. Now let's go with a little details, not too much, just details for a sketch like a nose. Remember to don't forget the proportion. It's easy, follow the rules of perspective. Simple eyes. Now this is the gap of eyes and the center line of eyes. Now remember the proportion. Now we can finish this sketch with a little bit of hair, like I'm going to do it. Here are some earlier sketches that I have done before with my little box, little friend. With the help of this box, you can draw every proportion, every angle of the face with this little helping tool. So guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And always, thanks for watching. Peace.